Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Brian's Badass Reviews. It has been a hot minute since I've done a beard review. So that's what I'm doing today. We're coming at you live. We are gonna bring you a beard company from right up the road from me. Well, okay, it's about 4 or 5 hours up the road from me. But straight out of Buda, Texas, Hill Country area. Beautiful area, Defined Beard Co. Let's talk about it. Kick the intro! Forgot to put my beard down, sorry. Welcome back in everybody. If y'all just got here for the very first time, I'd be hugely honored if you consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification. I got new videos coming out pretty much every week. You guys like what's going on in the channel? Hit that like button. Helps us out here at Brian's Badass Reviews a lot. Appreciate you. Today we are talking about Defined Beard Co. Now, not too long ago, I did a review on Royal Beardsman, and if you guys been watching my channel, I do a lot of these beard reviews. I order a lot of sample packs because I am not gonna dive in $15, $20, $25 for a 30-ounce bottle of beard oil that I turn out to not enjoy. So when I hear these new companies, I like to go on the site and see if they offer the sample packs, and if they do, I'm more than likely gonna pull the trigger on that sample pack. So when I found out that Defined Beard Co. was out of Buda, Texas, I was like, well, hell yes, I gotta check these guys out. I like to support the companies that are local. So the magician behind Defined Beard Co. is Kerry Jennings, and he started kind of formulating these ideas after he had been in different beard communities and stuff back in 2019. According to the website, they decided to launch January 1st, 2020. So this is fairly recent. When I read that on the website, I was actually pretty surprised because it seems to me like they have made a lot of progress in the first 6-7 months of this year. I'm seeing them in a lot of the beard communities myself, and they seem to have a lot going for them right now. So I had to check them out. So I ordered up their sample kit. They send you 5 samples. And let me tell you guys something. When I'm saying samples, usually you get this little dram. You might get a half a use or maybe a use out of it. Not at Defined Beard Co. These guys don't mess around. Let me show you right here. This right here is the size sample you get. I don't know exactly what size it is. You probably have to go on the website to check it, but look, I probably got at least 4 uses out of this. So when they send you the sample size, guys, you really get to sample it. Now, I probably got this maybe a couple months ago, and I've spent the last 2 months kind of trying these different scents. So the 5 beard oil scents that you get when you order the sample pack are the Psychedelic Quiff, and I'm saying Quiff because I don't know if it's the other one, Quiff, Queen, I don't know, but Psychedelic Quiff, the Distinguished Caballero, the 1626, the Lemon Delight, and the Newfangled. And just like with the Royal Beardsman guys, when I ordered their sample pack, I was blown away because every single one of those scents was just outstanding. That's exactly how it is with these guys. Outstanding. Every single one of these is a home run. Now there's some of them just because I have a certain profile that I like to go with that I liked a little bit more than the other ones. But as far as the quality of the scent, the consistency of the beard oil itself, the stay in beard, the how it feels in beard, every single one of these beard oils pass the test, guys. Now, 1 ounce bottle of beard oil from Defined Beard Co. is gonna cost you $15. That's right there in the average of what a good bottle of beard oil should cost you, right? Now, for the sample pack, I got 5 cents. You guys already saw the size of it for $14. And with how many times you get to use it, I'd say that's a pretty damn good price. Let's talk about the carrier oils that Kerry from Defined Beard Co. is using in his beard oils. See what I did there? Carry. Pretty much all the big hitters that we like to see in our carrier oils, guys. You're gonna have the sweet almond oil, fractionated coconut oil, the organic argan oil, organic jojoba oil, vitamin E, essential oils, and fragrance oils. So pretty much the main characters we see in a lot of the really good, even the big brand companies across the country. All right, so I'm gonna go to the cheat sheet here because it's just too much for this old man brain to remember. But let me break down each one of these scents for you. So let's start with the Psychedelic Quiff. This is supposed to be a unique spin on a barbershop scent. So they have got bergamot, basil leaf, oak moss, and white patchouli combined to make bold soapy cologne, and I would say that it is very soapy. That's this one right here, guys. And as you can see, I have very little left. In fact, I don't know why I didn't. This is what I put in beard today. You can see the consistency of it there. I'd say light to medium consistency, but the scent is gonna last you a long time. It's probably more than enough. I guess I'll re-up it in the old beard there. I don't have my brush with me. But yeah, I would say that this is a very light, I don't know about barbershop. I don't get much barbershop out of it, but I'd say cologne scenty, very clean, very soapy. I'd say like when the wifey washes the sheets and the bedspread and the comforter and all that stuff, and she pulls it out of the dryer, and it just smells so good. You crawl in bed, you're like, that's what this stuff is. And I'm not gonna lie, this one is absolutely my favorite of the whole bunch. It's so good, and it's so unique. Next one, the 1926. Orange, eucalyptus, sandalwood, patchouli, and a few surprises. Fresh cologne scent. And yeah, I would say that this is more of a fresh cologne type. Second favorite right here, guys, with the 1626. It's just so good. It's just a nice, fresh cologne. I don't know a better way to describe it. Just very nice cologne scent. Awesome. Next up, Distinguished Caballero. Chocolate Cavendish. Is that how you pronounce that word? Cavendish? I don't know. Pipe tobacco, oak barrel, aged bourbon. How do I like bourbon? It's so good. Vanilla and Texas cedar for the smooth yet sophisticated man. Well, that's all of us, right? Oh man, this one is just, I tell you what this one reminds me of. It just reminds me of like old school saloon, you know, like a bunch of guys walking out of a saloon after they just got done with a poker tournament or something, and you got that cigar smoke, but it's in a good way, This is a manly scent. This is I just worked 18 hours in a coal mine and got home, and this is what I'm gonna, I don't know. But it's very manly. Awesome scent. Very good. Probably my third favorite on the bunch. Next one up is the Lemon Delight. Zesty lemon sugar glazed with a vanilla bundt cake. Guys, this is just like one of those lemon cakes that you eat, those desserts, like the Little Debbie lemon cakes. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good. I can't even tell you, like, look, I don't know if this is something that I would wear in my beard all the time, but if you want something that is just amazing, if you're a dessert person, now this isn't lemon like a bitter lemon, this is a very sweet lemon. I don't know that I would wear this one in my beard all the time, but Defined Beard Co., fantastic job creating this scent. People are really gonna love this, that love those sweeter types of dessert type scents. Man, if I was still vaping, I'd be tempted to throw this right in the old vape thing and but I don't do that crap anymore. Awesome job, Lemon Delight. Whew. Last but not least, guys, well, I guess maybe least because it's probably my least favorite of the 5, but that does not make it bad in any ways. This one was a collab with Tyson from Faithfully Bearded. This is a cologne scent, and it's got hints of the dark musk, vetiver, black pepper, vanilla, leather, and then they round it out with just a hint of oud. Yeah, I kind of read all of that right off the site, but whew, I still got that Distinguished Caballero in my nostrils, so this one's a little bit hard to distinguish from it. But along the same lines, guys, sweet cologne, I think that's a very good description of it. It is a sweeter type of cologne. Very nice, and nice job on the collab, Faithfully Bearded. Check out his YouTube channel. He's got a wealth of knowledge on there as well. Kind of shout out there to Faithfully Bearded. Just absolutely great work on all of these. So these guys also have beard butter, they have beard balms, they have shirts, they have hats, they have the combs, they have swag. They got all kinds of stuff going on, right? So beard oil, $15. Beard butters are gonna be between $16 and $17. They have 2 ounces in their beard butters and their beard balms, 1 ounce on the beard oils. They actually have a 4-ounce beard butter, but I'm not sure. It said out of stock on the website, so maybe they're not moving towards the 4 ounces anymore. I even saw a freaking neck gaiter on there. Defined Beard Co. neck gaiter. Perfect timing, guys. Gotta stay safe out there. Gotta protect those beards, protect your health, protect your loved one's health. Guys, I am no way affiliated with Defined Beard Co., but I can tell you 100% that I will be back to order more product from them, and I think you guys should check them out. I'm gonna drop the link to their website down below. Go check them out, give them a shot. Buda, Texas. Should be Beauty, Texas. If you guys ever get a chance to hit up the hill country in Texas, you gotta go check it out. It is a beautiful area. Love the company. We'll be ordering more. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I would be truly honored if you did. That's all I got for the review today, guys. You guys know what I like to say. You gotta be kind to each other. You gotta do what makes you happy. That's it for me. I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace!